Okay guys, now we're gonna make sweet rice. So it's also kapampangan. So these are the ingredients. Coconut milk. I'm just gonna use the cream on top. I don't have no cream, so I'm just gonna use the cream, not the water inside. So I also cook two of this sweet rice bag. They're 2 cups each, so total is 4. And then I'm gonna use dark brown sugar. I'm not gonna measure the dark brown sugar. I'm just gonna taste it and see how sweet. So it depends on you guys how sweet you want. And then I'm gonna show you. I already cooked the rice with water. Okay guys, what I did is I just took out the cream on top of the water. You see it? So put it right there. So that's what I meant by using only the cream, not the water. What happened is I messed up. When I cooked the rice, I forgot to put coconut milk. So it became only water and rice. So that's why I'm doing that. But you can also do it this way if you want, okay? Okay guys, so what I did here is I put 3 cans of the cream, the coconut cream, and I put 1.5 cup of sugar, brown, and I have another half over here. If I need it, I'm gonna put it there. But for now, I wanna cook it first and see if it's sweet, because I don't want it too sweet. Okay, and this is the rice, the sweet rice that I cook. Okay, so I'm gonna start cooking this. Okay guys, I add the other half a cup of the brown sugar, and this is another one. So I'm gonna put it there. So altogether I put 2.5 cup of sugar. So you just keep on stirring this until it reduces the liquid, and then that's when you're gonna put the rice. Guys, I think this is ready now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the rice now. But I cannot do it because I'm using my other hand to hold my camera, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I put the rice to the syrup now. This rice is 4 cups of sweet rice, but I only put 3 cups of water. But see, I don't want it to soft. So because when you cook it in the syrup, it's still gonna get soft. So that's why I didn't wanna cook it well done. Okay, so just keep on stirring this until the syrup gets dry. Alright, when you're cooking this, you have to be patient. See, all the liquid already mixed with the rice. So all I have to do now is keep on stirring it until the liquid is all gone. So like I said, making a kalame is a hard work. You have to have patience. This is how you know when the sweet rice is done. When you pick up some and it sticks to the spatula, then that's mean it's already done. Okay, it's done, and I'm gonna transfer to this one that I already put the coconut oil, and then I'm gonna put some latik. So it's really sticky, see? So I'm gonna put it there like that. Okay guys, so I already put it on the tray. I push it, make it you know, flat. So now here's the latik. I'm gonna put the latik. I'm using my hands, and I washed my hands already. So anyway, you put the latik like this, you know, all over while it's hot, so the flavor will stay together like this and like that. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay guys, this is the final. This is the big tray with latik already, and I put the rest in the small container. I'm gonna give one to my friend and one to my sister, and this is for my balayan. Okay, so thank you for watching.